If you're in the market for business insurance, you may have heard the term professional liability insurance before. But what is it? And how do you know if your business needs it? We'll answer both those questions and more in this video. Hi, and welcome to Food Liability Insurance Program, or as we like to call it, FLIP. We believe insurance doesn't need to be rocket science, which is why we're here to break down professional liability insurance so that you know how it can benefit your business. Let's take it from the top. What is professional liability insurance? Professional liability insurance is a type of coverage designed to cover claims that come from errors and omissions made while performing your professional services. These services could also include professional advice or guidance that you give to clients. How is professional liability insurance different from general liability insurance? Great question. General liability insurance protects your business from bodily injury and property damage claims. It's often referred to as slip and fall insurance because it can cover you when a customer slips, falls, and injures themselves on your premises. However, general liability insurance doesn't cover claims related to your failure to provide a professional service. That's where professional liability insurance comes into play. So, what kinds of claims would professional liability insurance cover? When you add professional liability insurance to your FLIP policy, you can get protection against bodily injury and property damage claims stemming from errors in your services or failure to provide those services. Let's say you offer cooking classes to clients. While teaching a course on British baked goods, you advise your students to heat the internal temperature of steak and ale pies to a certain temperature. That student then goes home, makes a steak and ale pie, and gets food poisoning because the temperature you told them to heat it to wasn't hot enough to kill harmful bacteria. Next thing you know, they're suing you for the bad cooking advice you gave them and the damages it caused them. But if you have professional liability insurance, you may receive coverage for this claim because it's related to damages caused by your professional negligence. Interested in getting professional liability coverage for your food business? FLIP makes it super easy to add professional liability to your policy. You can protect your business from claims like these for just $10.42 a month. The customization doesn't end there. Other optional coverages are available to add during checkout, including cyber liability coverage for data breaches and tools and equipment insurance to cover your business gear. Over 35,000 food and beverage businesses trust FLIP for their liability insurance needs. Join them by getting your quote in 10 minutes or less at flipprogram.com today.